Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you back and it's good to be back. I have come home from my holiday and I have come from winter straight into spring because spring has started over here. There's no denying it. The sun has been out. It is so warm and I think it's time for our annual spring balcony refresh. Our balcony is in a dire state. It is dirty, messy, still very much in winter mode. It has seen better days and it definitely needs a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of sprucing up, some decorating, some new plants, fresh plants, just a little bit of work to get it ready for spring. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I am really excited to get this started so that I can sit out there with my noise cancelling headphones because yeah, construction. There is a lot to do, so let's get started straight away. Let me tell you, gardening or balconeering? Is that a word? Balconeering is dirty work, but luckily I have just the thing for it because this video is very kindly sponsored by Blueland. Some of the YouTubers I follow use Blueland cleaning products and I've been really interested to try it ever since I first saw it. Blueland make cleaning products and hand soap out of clean ingredients and in reusable glass bottles. So as opposed to your plastic bottles of cleaning products and detergents, all you actually need are these little tablets that come in a paper wrapper. Their products are really convenient, effective, safe to use, affordable, and like I mentioned, sourced from clean ingredients. They don't use single-use plastic in any of the components, including the box that it is shipped in, the bottles, and the little wrappers of the tablets. All the products are vegan and cruelty-free, which I love, of course, and they are made without ammonia, VOC, soy and nuts, chlorine, bleach, or parabens. Blueland is also EPA certified. So since the bottles are reusable, all you need for all your cleaning products are just these little tablets. And one of these tablets costs just $2, which is an amazing price for essentially a whole bottle of cleaning products. I mean, $2 is less than a cup of tea out in a cafe, so this is definitely well worth it. And if you buy in bulk, they go as low as $1.55. So let me actually show you how this works. It's really easy. You just fill up your bottle with warm or hot water up until the line. You drop in the little tablet, let it completely fizz out, put the nozzle on, and it is ready to use. So as I mentioned, I got the hand soap kit, which is exactly what I need right now in the middle of this makeover. And it comes with 2 of these soap pumps and 6 of these tablets in 3 different scents. I have the scents Perrin Lemon, Lavender Eucalyptus, which is smells amazing, and Iris Agave, and this is the one that I used for my first hand soap. So I have 2 of each. So if you buy a kit instead of buying all of the products separately, you already save 20%, but I have a code that gives you an additional 20% off. So all you have to do is click the link below to get 20% off of your first kit, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It's a good one, trust me. Blueland are now shipping to the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Alrighty, a huge thank you to Blueland for sponsoring this video, and let's move on with this makeover.